What's good? What's good? What's good? Good people.
What's
It's what
poppin'?
Wednesday.
Yo,
Yes,
What's
sir.
popping? Wednesday
We
evening. Welcome
back.
to Late Night Numbers. Yeah, we back, man. Back for another episode. We got a good episode tonight. We got what two? Well, no, yeah, we got tomorrow Friday, and then October is over. So we was just talking about that pre-show as to how the month of October, the most volatile month of the year, as they say, is almost over, man. Crazy,
You
crazy,
gone.
crazy, bro. Crazy,
Going
crazy, crazy.
fast.
So, real quick before we get into the show, man, tonight's agenda, a couple things we're gonna talk about. Of course, we're gonna talk about the FOMC meeting and how that all went down, positive, negatives. Talk about earnings, right? We had a big afternoon. We heard some pretty good reports. And then we're going to preview a little bit and talk about, the all important Trump and Xi meeting that happens tonight, right?
Yeah.
And then, of course, as we said, in October, November, look ahead, man. What's these last 2 months going to look like? So, yeah, fellas, how was y'all day though? How, FOMC day, how was y'all trading day? Let's kick it off.
I had a good day. I traded gold. Stayed away stayed away from NQ.
Yeah.
Stayed away from NQ. Wasn't really moving.
Right.
You know,
Yeah.
FOMC and all that stuff. And then I couldn't really. I was reading Cliff Notes. I was in a bunch of meetings today for work, so I really couldn't see what was to talk. But it seemed like I guess that's where it dropped the market a little bit. But I had a good day overall.
Good.
Yeah.
And you passed another combine, right? I think you posted.
Yeah, I did. Yep.
Word,
Let's go,
word.
bro.
So how many?
Yeah.
What's that? Like about 10 funded accounts?
I don't even know, bro. It don't even. It's like at this point, it don't even matter. It's like just
You
get
said
there.
what?
It's just like just get there and maintain the accounts, bro.
Facts.
Yeah.
Well,
Cycle.
congratulations, brother. Another funded account in the bag.
Thank you.
Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Dre, how was
Shout
your
out to you too.
Dre, how was your bro? First of all, last
Yeah,
night, I mean, last night last night he made 11 bands, and I mean you really didn't have to trade today, but so
Nah.
how was your day? Did you trade today?
Yeah, I took a short and cute
Okay.
early morning,
Mhm.
so I can't remember how NQ trade. But I took a little trade. Yeah. And then I went back to go. I
Back to
did
gold.
market 9:30. I did trying to get familiar how go move in New York. So
Yeah.
I try it, and yeah, they
Okay.
stopped me out in profit, but that was the only trade. In the afternoon, I couldn't watch Paul, so I don't
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
I'm leaning on you guys tonight because I don't
Okay.
know.
Yeah. I made sure to watch that shit because
hmm
Mhm.
yeah, I figured that I didn't want to miss this one. So for sure. And
Yeah, so
so that's
yeah.
what's up, brother. That's what's up, man. For me, man, look, bro, I finally passed my combine and I fucking locked that bitch out.
Let's
Yeah, let's
go.
go.
So now
Talking
that
about
I
me.
have that funded, look, now that I got that funded account, I don't plan on trading in until, well, if I see a trade, I'll take it because I still do not a trade. But I'm really trying not to trade while I'm in this boot camp. That's a really hard thing. So I'm really for
Mhm.
AA plus setup, but I really want to just save this, sit on it, and then when I'm done the boot camp, it's like boom, I got a funded trade account, and I could just go, balls to the wall. So, but I'm just happy to have that done. So now I can really just focus on the boot camp. I mean, I have been
Yeah.
focusing, but now that I got that out the way, it feels good to just have that done. So,
Yeah.
and that was a goal for October. I wanted to have that shit passed by the end of this month. Um, and so yeah, man, I
He did.
traded. I got that. I was done by like 6 o'clock. As soon as that shit said pass, lock that jump.
Mhm.
I ain't traded no
Yeah.
more.
Oh,
Good
I
shit.
ain't traded no more. So yeah, man. So overall, yeah, it was a good day, man. I can't be mad. Can't be mad at all, brother. Can't be mad at all.
That's what's up, bro.
Um, Yeah, fellas. So with that being said, man, FOMC. So I guess I'll go ahead. I mean, Dre, I know you said you're gonna lean on us. Quadree,
Yeah.
were you able to catch it or not?
No, I just seen the cliff notes, about unchanged. Well, the main quote, the December thing. But it seemed pretty. It didn't seem.
Yeah,
I've
yes,
seen it
yes.
seemed pretty. Okay, it seemed pretty like in the middle, like always. So
Right.
he's expected. We know the real news is tonight.
Correct. Let me get down. Okay. And I do have y'all know I got so FYI Dre and Quadree know, but I'm working on another combine and I exclusively trading micro contracts in that one. So that way I got 2 fundeds. And yeah, I just hit TP on gold.
Let's go.
I see y'all go long. I was like, let me get out there and see what they see. And then I see the setup, got in, took a quick little trade. All right, so let me close that out. That's what I was looking at. So FOMC, let me give you guys and the people a breakdown of what Jerome Powell said today. So I guess let me start with overall, right? So bottom line overall, the Fed is still in accommodation mode. I think that's the big picture thing, is that the Fed ultimately is still in accommodation mode, right? And I don't know. Do y'all want me to pull up one of y'all screens while we talk about the market? Quadree, you in a trade?
Okay.
No, I ain't trading right now.
You know that. All right, so then we'll just leave. Well, I'll pull them up in a second. But for now, just to give the people a little something to look at so they can see how the day went. So, okay, so yes, the Fed is in accommodation mode, right? And so some of the good things is that they did cut rates today, right? As expected, they cut 0.25. So I think the rate has come down to 3.75 down, or to 3.75 to 4% is the range. Powell said it's still in restrictive territory, meaning they still got room to come down, and it's still not at neutral, whatever that is, right? Some other positives is that he did confirm that the Fed is going to stop QT December 1st. In that conversation, he was asked a question about will the Fed start doing purchases to kind of like fix up their balance sheet. He did say yes, that would be a part of it. So we could see some QE in 2026. He did mention that the economic expansion was a little bit better than expected based on the available data that they had. And that's what he kind of kept emphasizing. Based on the available data, this was the decision that they had. This was the information that they could have, all based on available data, right? That was kind of like his caveat. He did. Oh, another thing he said was that if you take away tariff inflation is actually closer to their goal. So I thought that was kind of like, okay, once we get past this one-time hit, they actually are looking at inflation as we pretty close to our goal. So that was kind of a positive. What was the other thing? And ultimately, yeah, and so that was pretty much where he stood, right? Now let's go to the negatives, right? And let's go to what the bears and sellers and pessimistic people and the media are going to harp on. The first thing they're going to harp on is the fact that it was 2 dissents. You had the Kansas City governor basically vote for no cut or no change, and then you had Trump's appointee Marion vote for 0.5. Everybody else was on board for 4.25. So you got a little, but I honestly think that was all semantics. You got one guy on one extreme, you got one guy on the other, everybody else in the middle. Make it look good, right? Then and like you said, Quadree, the big thing or the big headline that you're going to see everywhere is that Powell said he was basically asked about a December rate cut, and he was like, "Hey, December rate cut is not a foregone conclusion. It's up in the air." But that's all. But he never closes the door on himself. He's always going to give himself an out. So for me, it was kind of like you knew he won't go and box himself in or just flat out come out and say yeah, we're gonna cut in December. Of course, he's gonna stick to the script of we're data dependent, blah, blah, yada yada yada. However, you know, the market was looking for a reason to sell because we were on a bit of a aggressive, run. We gapped up, so the market just looking for any reason to shake people out and sell.
Yeah.
So the median, sellers were very fixated on the fact that he made that comment. Oh, December rate cut is not a foregone conclusion. Everybody ran with that, and as soon as he said that, that's when you saw the market sell off, right? And that was pretty much the FOMC. I mean, other than that, man, he was pretty dovish. Again, I think the media likes to feed on fear and pessimism, so of course they ran with the headline of the rate cut, not the December rate cut, not a foregone conclusion, but they overlooking the fact that QT stops in December. He overlooking the fact that they're going to start purchasing again. You overlooking the fact that he said without tariff inflation, they're closer to their goals. So that right there in itself opens the door to them cutting in December. He also talked about how jobs is slowing and that is a concern of theirs. And so again, yes, he said December is not a foregone conclusion, but if you listen to everything else he said, bro, it's a good chance we're gonna get another rate cut.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So to me, like we always talk about, Dre, by any excuse, any means necessary, market was retest Wednesday. We always talk about retest Wednesday, and the market just needed something to feed on to get its retest Wednesday, and that was the comment that they chose to feed on. And so, yeah, that's my FOMC breakdown.
Pretty much it. Yeah, same shit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
man. That's it.
Real quick, before we go on, let's say what's up to our viewers. So we got Maurice in the building. We got Ad Payne. He say hello. We got Mike in the building. What's good, Mike? We got Strat King in the building. He said dress kicking the bucket. Damn. We got Brooke in the building. Brooke Lena, evening. We got Jay in the building. What's good, Jay? And Jay says 7,000. Yes. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We got Father of Legends in the building. What's the details on the boot camp? Boot camp is closed for now. It's through the Pack Trade Group. I think they'll offer another one. Come like January, February, Dre?
Yeah.
Something like that. I mean, put it this way. I know my class ain't gonna be done till January, so
right after,
So probably right after, right?
Mm-hmm.
Probably right after. And then Miss Infinity said what the word is. I guess what the word is. Or
what's
popping? Yeah. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, as far as today's performance, let's just do that real quick. The ES was basically flat, finished the day down 9.5 points. We got the NQ finished basically flat, 0.19. You had the Russell finish negative 0.65. I'm trying to get into a paper trade, so that buy limit probably ain't gonna get filled. And then the Dow was basically, it was down 100 points, 0.23. So overall, a flat day. It was basically a flat day, right? Little shaky bake. We got my guy in the building. What's good, brother? There you go. Be able to and have the next one, 2026. Yep. So this daily profile, this is the gentleman who runs the boot camp that I'm currently in. And
Father Legend.
Yes, sir.
Has completed. So if you have any questions, Father Legends, reach out to Mick or January 26th is when the next boot camp will be. And I highly, highly recommend it. I'm only 2 weeks in, and I'm telling y'all. Ain't gonna hold y'all, especially when you got a good knowledge. Like, bruh, what?
Do it.
Yo, random. He was Zay was one of them people today that cut a nice trade. He saw the market that was tradable. It was RTY. He caught that whole move, bro. So shout out to him.
I think I post. Well, he might have seen the post, but yeah. And what I would say, Mick, is RTY has been good for reinforcement of the first 2 weeks, bro. Like literally, 4-step reversal, MAE, MFE check mark. Use the daily profiler to see the shortfalls early in the morning, and knew that RTY was going to go up pre FOMC. Like, bro, when I tell you it hit all the boxes this morning,
Oh, shit.
It
feels good, right?
It hit the levels prior day mid. I was like, yo, I'm talking about it. That thing checked every box of everything we have been learning the first 2 weeks, dog. I was like, God damn.
Let's go, bro. That's good shit.
So yeah, so it's just practicing, reinforcing, and learning this stuff. But that was dope. So with that being said, man, let's talk about these earnings a little bit, man. So Microsoft, Meta, Google all reported today. Microsoft and Google had really strong quarters. Google is up. If we can look right now, Google is up after hours. Google's the only one that got an earnings pop. So they up $17. It's at $292, closing in on 300. Yeah, crazy. So they had a killer quarter. I think they said they cloud business was up like 30 some odd percent. They actually had their first $100 billion revenue quarter, $100 billion revenue quarter. So to Google. Meta would have had a top line beat on earnings or revenue and EPS. However, they had to pay some one-time tax bill or something like that. And so that messed up their EPS, which was a miss. But if you take that away, they basically would have beat is what they think is. The CFO and them basically talked about how they're super investing in their CapEx is going to go up for 26. We're really working on supercomputing. To me, the call or the notes I saw was really, really positive. The negative was the fact that they had that one-time hit and they messed and then the EPS was down. So again, market looking for a excuse to sell. I think we talked about this last night, which is that when you have those big days where you got Microsoft, Meta, Google all reporting, somebody ain't getting some money. Like you can't have all three of them go up. Yeah. Like that's gonna send the market to the moon. So somebody got to sell off or be flat. And so it just so happened in this case it was Meta. But overall, the report was very solid.
695.
Yeah, I think this thing may turn around overnight.
Oh, it was it.
Yeah, I think it may turn up overnight, and by the time we get to the open, it might be back at 700, and they might bid this thing back. So honestly, I'm looking to buy the dip on Meta.
It's just a one-time tax bill was at 15.9 billion, so you get that out the way.
Yeah.
Other than that, they did everything. They did everything well. I mean, if it's at this price, y'all know what to do.
Right, buy the dip.
And we 200 days.
And sucks we trust. Right? What's his name?
And then you got Microsoft, right? Microsoft, of course, they had that big pop because of the restructure of the OpenAI deal. And then they reported earnings. They actually crushed earnings. They reported 78 billion. Azure was grown by 40%. EPS rose 13%, 18% year-over-year increase, exceeding analyst expectations. Once again, I think this is just a shakeout. I mean, there's no reason Microsoft should be down 3%. I'm surprised it's not up to 550, 575, but you'll probably get some price upgrades in the morning. And I wouldn't be surprised if the market buys the dip on as well. And so, yeah, again, bottom line, Mag 7 earnings in a really good place. I would say guidance was pretty good. The earnings reaction, ain't what it was. But I also think that's also part of the market, killing the gamblers, right? You got a lot of people playing earning plays and stuff like that. So Avi crushed these guys, and then you get the real move after. So yeah. But overall, earnings has continued to be crazy solid, yo. Like on some real shit, I was looking at this, and I think the latest update is that I think currently like 87% of companies that reporting are beating top and bottom line. Like the earnings season is going better than average. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And you can see so far that earnings growth coming in at 15.1% versus a 7% estimate. I mean, tech is just absolutely killing it. And so, yeah, this earnings season the fundamentals are strong, man. Fundamentals are just strong, and they continue to be strong. Tomorrow we'll hear from Apple and Amazon, and we'll see what they do. Again, because of just where the market is and gamblers, I wouldn't be surprised if one gets a pop, one doesn't, and they kind of do that. You know what I'm saying, just on some BS. But if both report well, then I think whichever one dips, buy the dip.
Trump is bringing this market to 7,000 tonight.
So with that being said, Dre, that's the next topic. Let's transition, brother. Trump in China, 11 a.m. South Korea time. We will get confirmation on this deal. Now, what I want to say about this real quick, and then I'll pass it to y'all fellas, is that the market has front run a lot of optimism due to what happened over the weekend and preceding headlines of things being in the works, right?
Yeah.
So it is very critical that he walks away from that meeting with some type of agreement, deal, as well as China confirms it, right? Because if it goes the other way, I think the market can give back a lot of that optimism that we have run up. You know what I mean? And I will be the first to say it. We are a little bit extended, and that would be the perfect excuse for the market to come on down. Right. Like you're gonna see a nice little dip if that thing ain't confirmed. On the flip side, if it is confirmed and it does go okay, like Dre said, I think we go to 7,000.
Yeah, that gonna be crazy.
I think we go to 7,000.
Yeah, that gonna be crazy.
Yeah. So, what y'all think, fellas?
Same, bro. I'm in the same camp. If it will be the perfect scenario for a raw pool, if it happens, that's the perfect news. But if it's the other way around, shit, we might run crazy, bro. Yeah, man.
We'll know probably by 1 o'clock tonight.
Right.
If that happens,
you said what?
I'm buying Meta tomorrow morning, right away.
You gonna get in the game, Dre?
Oh yes.
Yo, look, let that thing drop another $30, $40.
You said who?
Let that thing drop another $30, $40, bro.
Yeah.
Meta?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna drop that far though, bro.
I know. I don't even think it's gonna give us the opportunity to really do what I want to do. But
that's what I'm saying. Because if depending on how this thing go overnight, what we see right now could be drastically different by the time we wake up. My boy Ty's in the building. He said earnings were better than expected, but keep in mind they were revised down by analysts due to unknown tariff effects. Hey, bro. I mean, it's always a reason or justification. At the end of the day, they were better than expected, bro.
Yeah.
I don't want to, it is what it is.
Whoa.
So, all right, that's Trump in China. I mean, other than the meeting, I will say that he went to Japan and met with Japan's PM. He did some stuff in South Korea. He was saying that the trip is going well so far. Oh, I got another thing. After this trip, the first thing this man need to do when he get back is they need to end this government shutdown, bro.
Yeah, for real. It's getting
treacherous. I really think that the government shutdown is vastly overlooked, but I think that's something else that's still out there where if depending on the China outcome, let's say he come back and he can get this, the government to reopen. I think that would be a positive. But the longer this linger, I think that could lend itself to, again, a minor daily type of sell-off or shakeout kind of thing, the longer this linger on. But I do want to put that on people's radar, and I'm pretty sure it is on people's radar. But just as far as the market goes, I know it's kind of getting overlooked. But bro, we going on what, day 30 something?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So
The whole month.
This is getting crazy.
talking about that, I work with the USDA department.
Yeah.
So for my W-2. So the lady on Monday, I
What's
see
good?
her. I ask her, "How you doing? How you been?"
Mm-hmm.
And she knows I track the market.
Yeah.
Oh no, we okay. Like it's all right. Just I had no motivation to come to work. I'm like, oh shit. Well, I'm here. Let's talk. What's going on? Nah, it's just weird. It just I don't know. It's just I know I had to be here, but
Mm-hmm.
like my moral is not there. I'm like, ah, okay. And then she said, believe it or not, we got an email this morning or Friday after work
Mm-hmm.
that her supervisor said, and this is the funny part. She said that in areas like, or there's like hood areas with Walmart, Target, and what's that other store I said?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck. Hassan Club. They, because the SNAP program, he delivers on the first. They might not
Yes.
get that check. They might not get that check. I don't think
Mm-hmm.
they are. And she's saying the supervisor told her that they might be closing stores like Walmart and Target and stuff like that because they're afraid they might do vandalism and stuff like that. I'm like, what?
Mm.
What do you say? I haven't heard that. Like, yeah, I just got that email. I'm like, oh shit, that's different. I don't think we expecting that.
Who said we
So
what?
I I, I was expecting that like that rough, like closing stores down because this shit might go crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
that's
mean that's when you start getting, if you think about it though, you think about you take away food from people's families and they can't provide for themselves.
Hmm.
You got to start fending for yourself at that point.
That's what I'm saying. Like the country not ready for that shit.
Well,
Yeah.
maybe he come in there, make a deal,
And that's the
this deal, he get that deal done. The market run
he
up to
better
7. Yeah, do
yeah
something.
he better shit. Something you don't play with is people's money and people's food, man. You don't play that, man.
You play that,
You don't
yeah.
play that game. You don't play that game.
nah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Larry is in the building. What's good, Larry? Hey, Larry, did you get out of that short last night, bro? Because that was a no bueno, dog.
Yeah.
He probably did. He might have and then flipped long.
Yeah.
My boy Ty said my governor inside. Yeah, I guess. Oh, my government insider told me they are pushing to around the 29th. That's today, nigga. The
That's
29th.
today. That's today. Yeah.
Father said that's a gem. Don't ask me how I know. Don't be surprised if we still. Oh, you saying? Oh, you talking about November 29th? Okay. I think he talking about. I think
Nah.
he's talking about November 29th.
Yeah, another month.
The
I
country
don't
won't
know
hold that.
about
Nah.
that.
Nah. Yeah. You could war with.
I hope it ain't another month. That would be bad.
That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy.
That would not be good.
Mm-mm.
Larry said, "Yep," and then he wrote it. Yeah, I figured you got out and went long. I was like, bruh, I didn't think that was a good idea. I was like, they gonna hold this shit up till Pal Talk. They always do it that way. People want to be short, but you gotta wait till Pal Talk. That's when you take the short.
Yeah.
That's when you take the short. Other than that, they gonna bid that bitch up till he talk. Um. So yeah, Track King said they saying he could keep it closed till midterms in November. What? Yo, bro, what?
You said next
Man,
year.
all right, first of all, who is they? Who is they?
Yeah. Fact.
Who is they?
Nah.
Cause
That's wild.
this that shit I be talking about right here. Like, come on, man. Who is they? That is ridiculous. And no, Ty. I mean, I believe you. I mean, I definitely it can stay another month. That is not out of the question. But a whole year till next year midterms. Come on, man.
That's
Bro, you
crazy.
got that. I don't think you got
People,
yeah. Military they gonna riot. They coming to the shit. Them service members coming to the Capitol. They gonna get they check, or they ain't protecting shit. So they ain't going to war for shit. You crazy. They gonna run up that. Yeah, you thought January 6th was some shit. Puh.
yeah,
That ain't gonna be nothing. Those service members don't get them checks. You crazy. They got all the guns, nigga. You what? They go, bro. They running up on the Capitol, bro. Y'all gonna vote for something,
Actually, bro.
or we gonna take y'all checks? Cause whole time them motherfuckers still getting paid.
Facts.
So
yeah,
it's good.
that'd be wild.
It's gonna be a real civil war then.
That'd be crazy. Get your strap on.
Facts.
But I'm optimistic, right? Because the market, Americans run off optimism. The market likes to go up. So I think it'll be resolved sooner than later. I'm not no expert though.
Yeah.
Better be soon.
I said, trying to tell y'all, I have someone that works in the government. They're being told buckle down until nigga. I'm not saying I don't believe you. Trying to tell y'all, all right, that's fine. Okay, shit. Let's see. There was an economist that said the only rush during the shutdown and when they all fold is when we hit debt ceiling, and they said we won't till November 26th. Okay. Daily say, I just checked my account. My retirement check is in there. Service members will be getting paid. Okay. I mean, if they're getting paid, then maybe they fine. But if they stop getting paid, that ain't gonna be a good thing. So
No.
yeah. So random long, if you still getting your check and all that, then shit, maybe you good. But yeah, this government shutdown is crazy though. I ain't even gonna hold you. I honestly, for anybody that's not getting paid and that still got to work,
Bro,
truly,
that lady, she comes every morning with a sad ass face, my guy.
I believe it,
And that's
because
one person.
the worst part about that is, Dre, is these people, they can't leave the job because it's hard to get a job,
Right.
and so you can't really quit because you got to go find another job, but it's hard to find another job. So it's like, then if you don't come in and do what you're supposed to do, they gonna fire you and then you don't got a job. So it's like you got
many options.
Like, bro, you just gotta suck it up, work and not get paid. That's some shit. And they always talk about working for the government is supposed to be max security. You motherfucker, that's a lie.
Shit.
Lie detector test determined that's a lie.
Yes, say.
Cause ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way.
Yeah, what you see, all these layoffs is crazy, and I swear these numbers is showing
UPS.
It was UPS.
UPS did 22,000. Amazon announced what 40,000,
30,000.
30,000.
I'm sure I got the numbers here.
You got the numbers?
I was like, dang, yo, that's just wild.
Yeah,
That's bullish for that stock.
It's bullish.
I mean, that might be bullish for the market. That's bearish for the economy.
It's crazy.
Oh, so UPS was 48,000.
48. Oh, damn. Excuse me.
Amazon was 30,000.
Damn.
Intel 24,000. That's 16,000. Accenture 11,000. Ford 11,000. Novo Nordisk 9,000. Microsoft 7,000. Let's still continue. So
that's crazy. Mick said exactly. This is sad. They need to pay these employees. Maybe Congress should be the one. That's where I say, man, this system is jacked up, because how the ones that's voting on the bills, y'all still get paid, but yet the people that vote y'all in, they not getting paid. That's exactly, Mick. I agree. Like if the government shut down, that means none of the Congress, Senate, none of them should be getting paid. They work for the government. That's some crazy stuff, bro. They should not be getting paid, just like every other government worker. They need to bring their ass into work and get a deal done. And until they do, they shouldn't be getting paid, bro. It's a messed up system, bro. And I really do feel bad for the government. And I know I have a few friends, like especially at my daughter daycare. It's a lot of folks that work for the government, bruh. And so now the day, people like, bruh, they going to the daycare like, look, bro, I ain't getting no check. So y'all, if I ain't got no check, y'all ain't getting no check. And y'all know daycare is expensive. So it's just it's sad, man. It's really, really sad, bro. It's really, really sad, yo. Damn, I ain't even thinking of I ain't well, you know what? Whew. My tenants are military, so thank you, random. If they still getting paid. I had to think about that for a second.
Yeah.
Like, you ain't about to see no check either, brother.
I was about to be like, hold on. Now that I think about that, wait a minute. Because I see somebody said, he said, who paid that rent in DC? I was like, damn. Because you right. Because that's government sponsored. So them landlords out of money too. You ain't lying, bro. I was like, hold up. Did we get the rent check this month yet? Father Legend said, hood rules lesson number 1, feed the wolves. Yeah, man. But either way, though, this government stuff is crazy.
About to be 8:00. Let's get it.
Yeah, let's go, baby. What time? So let me ask you this question: what time? If it's 11 South Korea,
I did
time
the math. I sent it to you. It's 10:30 Eastern time.
Okay, so 10:30 tonight.
They like
a whole day ahead of us, bro.
Yeah. It's already in the morning. It's 8 in the morning or something.
Yeah, like they like a whole day ahead of us.
That's why when they said Thursday, that's why I'm like, yeah. Oh shoot, they're a whole day ahead of us. So
yeah.
That's gonna happen tonight.
That's what happened tonight.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So if you trade
what time? I'm sure to go at 10:30
tonight. 10:30
tonight. I had texted 8 time.
I was about to say, if you are trading tonight, be mindful around 10:30, 11 o'clock.
Your market running right now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Front running something.
Hold on. Let me go.
Thank you.
I did see a little bit of a boost. I did see a little bit of a boost. Okay, Meta back up to 697.
And knowing that though, we might start seeing the headlines early. You know what I'm saying? Early before them.
You ain't lying. Microsoft. Who getting some news? Because somebody gotta be moving it. Who's it? Google. Damn, Google at 293, bruh. Woo! God.
So you remember the day I got mad because I cut Google and it was at 200? It's certain things like you just don't talk about.
My bad. Right? My bad.
Right,
yeah. What you said?
I said there's certain things you just don't talk about.
Right.
It's a sore spot.
Yeah. Like cat.
Let's see. Strat King said he gonna need more than the National Guard if people ain't getting no stamps for Thanksgiving. He ain't lying. It's definitely a ripple effect because the consumer fuels the economy. So if all these layoffs are happening, the dollar stops. Yeah. Drez came in with the Halloween voice for sure. Yeah, man. Listen, I was listening to somebody this morning, or maybe it was this afternoon, and I've heard this before, and it is true, which is, oftentimes a lot of people like to say, well, the economy is not doing great. How is the stock market doing great? But you got to realize those are two different entities. Like, they are very separate. You know what I'm saying? Which is why sometimes the market doesn't make sense to people because they just see pessimism, and they think that's supposed to translate to the market, and it don't work like that. You know what I mean? Sometimes they in unison, and sometimes they not. I think this is one of them times, But I also think that we have to respect the efficiency and productivity gain via AI.
I'm about to say
it's literally changing the landscape.
And then one of the main things, which is a deeper conversation, is that once COVID happened, what they allowed these companies to do is analyze how much more efficiently they can do work with less of us there. And now even at the phases, look at everything is like Nvidia is a bank for AI. Everybody's cutting these jobs. You're like, dang, they cutting all these people who going to work. Well, they already got it figured out. That's why they're making these cuts.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? So, you, you know, it goes to like, dang, like, and you know, when you cut, you see the stock jump because that's less on overhead, more in the business.
I want to say this though. While we're talking about job cuts, it's
Yep.
true, but there's also areas that are in desperate need and growing.
Yep.
Small, but growing in desperate need. And when I say that, I'm mainly talking about, of course, your cybersecurity and AI experts are still going to be needed, but blue collar is coming back and forth. Electricians, HVAC,
Yep.
all this whole data center build out, this nuclear build out, all this shit. You're gonna need skilled work, right? And don't get me wrong, skilled work pay, especially electricians getting the bag right now.
What, bro?
Like they getting the bag, and we are in desperate need of those type of that type of workforce because we're very under
Very understand.
employed when it comes to electricians and all of that because we cut out the trade schools and school and shit like that. So now that's coming back in force. So while we getting rid of these white collar jobs, which is your normal paralegal and office admins and all of that because of AI, but there's also on the back end, I'm seeing an explosion in people who are going back to trade school for carpentry and electrician and HVAC and all of that. And if you go look at these HVAC and electrician companies and all of that, bro, they offering apprenticeships and hiring out the yin yang.
Yeah, and think about it you talking about we go AI is more electric, right? You know who get paid really crazy? Them linemen. I
Yeah,
know. Yeah, my pops he worked for them. They be getting paid a bag. You
bro.
talking about $200 an hour, but
Bro, I was like, listen, my
like,
sister.
like,
So my sister, she worked for Tampa Electric, right? The electric company in
Mhm.
Tampa, Florida. Bro, she was telling me how much her electricians make. On top of that, they get unlimited overtime,
Overtime.
time and a half, bruh.
And they can feed off a storm too. They can't wait for these storms to hit.
Bruh.
Yo,
Yeah, she said they get unlimited
yep,
overtime at time and a half. And they making, like you said, $80, $100 an hour. That's
yep.
just base pay. So you talking time and a half? Bruh.
And a half, bro. Then
I
a
ain't even
lot of
gonna front. Hey, Mick, after I finish boot camp January 26th, I'm going to trade school, my nigga. I'm going to be an electrician, dog.
yo, yeah. And my dad, it's funny because like if I didn't go to school, I'd be working at a light company or a gas company because they get paid out. Yes, labor, like physical labor, but that bag be different. You could
Bro,
like
that
literally
bag
one weekend you
different,
can go
bro.
take your family on a trip
Yes, bro. I
and you
know.
pay and your bills paid.
Yes, I know. My homegirl. She just said her younger cousin. He like 24. He went and got his electrician joint. He worked for a company. Young dude making 200 grand a year.
Yeah.
I said, damn.
At that point, bro, I ain't got set at the computer, bro. I just put that joint, roll that joint, get some stocks.
Bruh,
Option
hey,
and
look, I'm on
then
some. I'm dead ass serious, yo. When I finish this boot camp, man, January 26th, y'all niggas go. I'm like, yeah, I'm back in school. I'm in trade school, dog.
facts. Yeah, man.
I'm about to be an electrician, yo. Real talk, yo. I started doing some research. I was just about King Rail took the words out of my mouth. Look, Home Depot giving out free trade certs. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, if you go look up a local apprenticeship in your area, yo, they are hiring out the yin yang, dog. And everybody's putting good comments. My boy, he says they took the words out of my mouth. A lot of these professions are unionized. The trades take less than 3 years to obtain. My boy said electrical, plumbing, and HVAC make a minimum of 120K, and he in New Orleans.
That up in Jersey like 200.
Right, that's what I'm saying. So depending on where you
Yeah.
at, bro, you shit. Because I was about to say I know electricians where I'm at in DC, cause and Herndon, Virginia is a big ass hub for data centers. Dog, them cats is making 250.
By the way, gold just pumped up crazy.
Everything kind of pumping up for real, bro.
Yeah.
So I would just say that, listen, if you ain't trying to mess with the AI or cybersecurity, it's not a bad look to go back to trade school, man. And a lot of these places, if you do the apprenticeship, you don't even got to pay. You just got to work for them for a year or 2 or 3.
Mm-hmm.
But they gonna pay you. So it's not like you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. You said Georgia Power is definitely hiring. Already made a pivot from cyber to HVAC, said Father of Legends. That's dope. I agree with Zay. I'm about to get a trade job. Hell yeah, I'm dead serious, bro. I started doing my research, yo. My uncle, man, my uncle he a certified electrician. All he do, this nigga, all he do is subcontract himself out. And he in Jersey.
That's what
All he do is subcontract himself out. He got his license. He just, he'll see job postings. People need electricians. He'll be like, "Look, I'm a subcontractor. I go." He's like, "Bro, he making a killing." My sister company, her HVAC tech start at $90 an hour. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's crazy. 90 an hour, bro. What? Gold makes a move at 8:00. Oh yeah, but then we did just hit 8:00. My bad. Trades are better than cyber, in my opinion. It might work in cyber. He's saying that.
Another one. I'm in this industry. Another one that pays well. It's not a sexy job. It's truck driving. 70,000 jobs short. There's 70,000.
CDL driver short. Yep.
Yeah.
Got to get that CDL.
You get paid the bag doing that too. You just got like to drive. You pick your way, domestic or long. I mean,
King said my uncle had his own HVAC company for 20 years. He the same way. Yeah, contract himself out. Yeah. And y'all, hold up. Just back to the market real quick. We are making a move.
I can't get in, man.
So the ES done went is the NQ is making a move. RTY making a move. Yeah, I knew I wasn't gonna get filled on this paper trade. Son of bitches. Even gold is moving pretty nicely.
I can't even get in, man.
Yeah. Let me go. I want to take a look at how's crypto doing.
It's still it's trying to recover. They holding that down for a reason. Something's going on,
bro. They stop. I feel like soon as November hit, something gonna come out and that shit's gonna be up like 10% in a day.
Yeah, remember that time that happened too? I forgot what happened. That was
it was November. Yeah, it was November. But you want to know what's funny though? Low key, Trump coin been pumping, bro.
Really? Last time I checked.
Yeah, it's 8:30. When we had that flash crash, that shit went down to $1.54. Now it's back up to $8.30. That's a bag.
Bro, how would you catch that trade though?
I mean, you had to have like a limit order or something. That was the only way you get filled, bro.
Yes, sir.
Dre, you in the trade?
Not yet.
You know you ain't sharing your screen. People want the sauce.
Huh?
Let me see what you're looking at, Quadree.
I'm just looking at gold. I'm ready to get into a trade.
That when I turned the screen, I never went back in.
Like, gold about to reach max extension. Yeah, NQ. That's above already.
All right, I see. Let's see. My boy Ty said, I've been in the natural gas industry since 2014, was clearing 210 in 2022. There you go. Look, man, we giving you GA got a lot of data centers coming up. Man, listen, between Georgia, Virginia, Texas, mid-America, it's a lot of data centers being built places, man.
Right.
And so, yeah.
But imagine that's like the plan to go back to like, we used to, which would they call like the American was built on back in like the early times with the industrials and stuff like that, those type of jobs.
I mean, that sounds like
where we in?
Yeah, type of cycles. Bassett said, 7 minutes. Here we go. Bassett says today's announcement following Trump's meeting with President Xi. Oh, that's the news. Bassett, as I'm gonna have to send this to y'all. I'm gonna put this in the group, but I'm gonna announce it. Today's announcement following Trump's meeting with President Xi will be a resounding victory for America's farmers. They hyping this shit up, bro.
Before it even happened.
They sound like this. The biggest thing is this. I need China to confirm it.
But that could be it though. Like, all right, so boom. Let's hear this. Knowing this, homie, hype it up. We get a nice couple pumps, then the China come and say like, nah, this junk ain't true.
Oh Lord.
You know he be gassing stuff, bro. He don't never tell us the truth. He be gassing it. Oh, I had the best, biggest deal ever.
Mm-hmm. That's cool. 5 minutes.
Let's see. They said China ordered 150K tons of soybeans as good faith gesture before the meeting. Yeah, I saw that. Industrial revolution is what Q talking about for sure. And so going back to this comment, it's been a lot of good faith going on between both China and the United States, right? Like the United States took the 100% extra tariffs off. They loosened up tariffs because of the fentanyl stuff. You know, Trump mentioned he's going to talk about the NVIDIA chips. So they trying to work things out, man. And, look, ultimately, it would do neither economy no good if they beefing. Because, you know, truth be told, we actually really depend on each other. China depend on us. We depend on China. So they got to make the shit work. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's just a lot of posturing. But ultimately, you know, the globe will not do good if China and the United States is beefing. And, you know, so everybody has a vested interest in seeing this get done and, you know, getting and working, you know, as good together as possible, you know, but it's your typical, you got two alpha males and it's a little bit of a power struggle. You know what I mean? So,
That's true.
You know, but ultimately, you know, this is one of those cases where, look, man, collaboration is better than competition, man. I know y'all are competitors, but y'all can also collaborate together. Shit, you ain't gotta be best friends, but damn.
Yeah, man.
I want to get short goal.
Yeah, me too. That's why I'm shaping up right now.
Looking for shorts.
That's it right there. That's why I'm making the break. That level.
Hold on, let me see. What y'all looking at? What y'all say y'all want to go short on gold? What y'all seeing on gold?
It's forming, but you gotta wait.
Yeah. Let me see what y'all looking at. Let me see if I see it too, man. We go down to the 15 minute. Ugh. Man, we might have to wrap this one up about 9 o'clock, man. I was up late and I was up early. I'm tired of shit.
Yeah, bro. It gets like,
huh?
It gets a lot. Yeah, early mornings and freaking night.
Plus, well, I mean, I need to get a good night rest so I can. Gonna be mentally sharp in the morning. That class at 5:30, bro. You gotta be locked in, bro. I need my brain to be sharp.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Let's go.
Oh damn! I see the short. I ain't taking it, but I think I see what y'all see though.
Yes, sir.
Did it get to?
What?
I was looking to see, did it get? Oh, it did. It got okay. It got Tuesday. It got the Tuesday's close.
Yeah, also that's what man.
Oh, did okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice little risk.
Brad Strat King said, "Thug it up, bruh. You the man one that be like, your brain be fried in the morning. You gonna tell me to thug it out? Look, he just put the comment. I know I've been waking up at 5 to get my brain wake time. Yeah, you crazy, bro. I need to get my sleep, cuz I need,
That'd be lit.
I'm trying to be sharp, dog. Mike said, Dre, did you already short gold yet?
3 minutes.
Hold on. Oh, he got his screen up. I'll pull it up. Let's see what Dre looking at.
Right here. 3 minutes ago. I got
Oh,
short.
he did short it. He did get short. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
You know Dre, man, y'all know Dre a sniper, bro. He got there. He like the Wicks. He got there, plotted that entry. He already in.
And risking $800 in this trade. I might get stop out the way this shit moving right now. Well, let's see. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh man.
Come on, man. Give us
this.
What this nigga doing? And keep going. Let's go. I need that to go.
Yeah.
You said
This
NQ is moving.
This be my last trade of the night. If so.
Let me see. I gotta go see what it must mean. Meta moving. Yep. Meta already back to 700, Quadree.
Yep.
For real?
699, damn near there. Let me see. Microsoft might be moving up too. Nope, not yet. Well, 521, getting a little bit better.
Let's go.
I'm telling you, if you see the NQ really make a big move, that probably means Microsoft and Meta is getting bid up overnight.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And Google's still sitting at 293. God, dog, bro.
Yeah. If he goes, he's gonna go now. Come on. Drop this.
Hey, yo, this dude, Mike had himself a ball at homecoming, bro.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, what?
Mike had himself a ball at homecoming. I just saw his IG. My man was out as the Q. He was out. OWT.
Like, yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Let me see. Come on, Q. Keep pumping.
Can you help me?
Yeah, no, we're Gucci. We Gucci, my guy. Let's go.
He said, "Yes, I did." OWT. You said, "Hey, the dude has some." Which you talk about the ODU noobs? 80, or because I know you went to a few homecomings. They're my guys though, bro. I fucks with 80 heavy, especially the 2011, like Kenny and them. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, dog. Them my boys, man. Kenny and them. You say I put that shit in the cup and kept it moving. Facts. I ain't even going front. I wrecked them niggas. But they my boys though.
Yeah.
That was a good spring semester.
Like I say, I read.
Hey man, look, bro. I mean, I'm goddamn. I'm be real, bro. I played in 08, so I'm going on like 18 years in the game. Look, bro. I used to play as dudes hard. I ain't even going front, bro. But I also talk good shit though. I ain't played you hard for no reason. But yeah, man, I had to make sure no susness going on, bro.
Where?
Got to earn that shit, bro. I had to earn it.
We got data dropping right now, Quadree? 8:30?
You got nothing.
Nothing. Okay.
No,
until 10:30.
Okay.
that's not even on the calendar.
Oh no.
No, it's not. The only thing that's on the calendar that would have been affected of us would have been uh
What?
Japan stuff, but that junk is tentative right now.
But
We got a yellow folder for import prices from Australia, but that's it at 8:30.
mhm.
About 13 minutes, but that's not really going to affect nothing.
Come on, man. We need to see Meta and Microsoft recover.
Hmm.
If they recover, bruh. Woo wee. I think it's really Meta that might be doing it.
That pushing?
Yeah, because it's up to 700 now, and I mean Microsoft is kind of just flat. So any movement Meta gets is I'm looking at the NQ and the ES, and they are really moving up. So I'm assuming it's Meta. Let me see. Maybe Apple might be doing something after hours, but
Mhm.
I don't think so.
I think they're gonna get me.
Well, no, yeah, Apple moving. Apple up $1.58 after hours. They at 271.
Hmm.
Let me see. Let's see if Amazon doing anything. It's well, yeah, it's coming back up.
Hmm.
Um, so they moving a little bit. Yeah, so we're seeing a little bit of movement here in a few names.
Bitcoin. Shit. Bitcoin just open, right?
Hmm?
But yeah, Bitcoin just open.
Yeah, a new thing on Bitcoin. Hmm.
Yeah. We lost. Damn, we close below. Damn. Yeah. Shit nasty. Hmm.
I'm about to look at about to look at my positions real quick. Bro, it'd be so tempting to want to sell some shit, man.
About to get me. Yep. Boom. Ah, we about to get stopped.
Go reverse.
Yeah. They're gonna stop out. Yes, sir. Thank you. What are you doing?
It's still moving up. Everything moving up, bro.
Yeah, they're going together.
Mm-hmm. Yes, going, yeah.
Mm-hmm. She's one.
Yeah, that's probably about to take a hit tomorrow.
Mm.
Mm. I should have bought. Man. Sometimes I'd be like, wow. One thing I say is, man, when it comes to the options, bro, after that year when I lost that money, bro,
Mm-hmm.
I, I have a set amount that I'll be like, I don't really want to go no more than this in a particular play. But sometimes I'll be like, fuck, I should have went way heavy. But I feel like as soon as I do that shit, they go cook my ass. I be like, man,
Yep. Bring you back.
bro.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, I'm gonna just stick to my little risk parameters. It is what it is. But dog, I'm sitting here looking at them AMD 125s I bought. I should have put my whole portfolio in that shit, dog. Oh my god, bro! Shit.
Don't let me think of.
Don't worry, bro. We're gonna get that opportunity and we're gonna see it.
But see, I'm gonna be rushed, bro. I just don't know if there's ever gonna be a time where I would. It doesn't matter how comfortable I am in the market or risk. I don't think there will ever be a time where I'll be like, yo, I'm gonna just put my whole portfolio on this one play. I can't do it.
Yeah, that's not smart.
Like no matter how good of the opportunity is, and I can see it, and I could be good. I can't bring myself to do that. Like,
where.
No matter, you know what I mean? Because you never know. It could be that one time when you think everything aligned, and next thing you know,
yep.
Oh, I just can't do it. You know, I just gonna have to live with hindsight, bro. Because, like, you know, shit, Dre, bro. It's some plays where, like, think about like Robin Hood or shit. Let it, dog. Dre, tell these people about your cat play, bro. I know you don't want to talk about it, but dog,
yeah,
go whole portfolio on that, Jake. Dog.
Yeah, man, that shit, bro.
Yeah. So if y'all don't know, dog, around the April lows, Dre added a cat contract. It was like a 2026. What was the strike?
Yeah, let me look. But I got you. 380s call.
380s. Okay, so back in April, you added cat 26 380s, right? Now, mind y'all saw cat is at 591 today.
Yeah,
right?
man.
So when Dre added those contracts, he posted it in the group today. We was like, man, we had to delete it because it was just hurt. It was pain, bro. He added them contracts, y'all. They were literally like what $7-8 when you added them, Dre.
$770. Yeah,
$770, and now that same contract today going for what over 20 grand.
210.80.
Bro, that's you when you think about
20
what you
band.
do, that's what I'm saying. When you think about what you do with options, literally $800 into 20 bands.
Yeah, bro.
Sick, bro. About 2 of them, you'd be at 40.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like you put up $1,400 into 40 grand, bro.
I promise you, bro. That's why I can't sell my United Health. I can't do it. I'm gonna just hold on, bro. I'm gonna have to hold on to United Health till I get back to the highs, bro. I got plenty of time,
bro.
Yeah, I got till June. 2000.
The market, side note, market moving, bro.
Market moving.
I'm about to get that closure too, to the downside if we close.
NQ moving? Yes, sir.
Bro, we up 40 points now.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's go. 40K. Where's ES? Yeah.
ES is at 59.34. It's up 12 points.
Yeah, that shit is getting here, bro. Tonight.
Okay, gold.
Okay,
I'm bro.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro, that must mean Amazon is now back positive.
Shit.
I'm telling you, it's got to be. Look, it's Meta, yo. Meta up to 704. They buy. They Quadree. You said it, dog. We not gonna. I'm telling you. By the time we wake up, I will not be surprised if Meta is back to like 720, 730 ish.
Yeah. Then this joint stopped me out to go down. I'll be mad, bro.
I'm about to get back. Well, if this I see myself. If it closes, I'm taking it.
Man, don't let Microsoft catch a little bid overnight. It's gonna be crazy.
They all cut it. They all gonna cut a bit. That shit popping. Shit, man. Listen.
Oh, you talking about like this kind of thing? Yeah.
Yeah, that shit is real. Yeah, man. If we're running quotations, imagine when it's facts.
Right.
Come on.
Karen said they buying Meta. Day is me. I don't do after I was trading, but bro, I was definitely gonna if it was going to open up down, I was definitely planning on buying the dip. I mean, even if it still
Facts.
do open down, I'm gonna buy the dip, but I don't know if the dip's still gonna be there.
Yeah, man, he's go about to go a little short, bro. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm in the short right now. Uh,
Ooh.
sure as I said that, it's gonna kick me in the butt.
Yeah, I ain't messing with that again. Mm. 2100, 9 o'clock.
Ooh.
Oh, so all right, fellas, while we kind of just about to wrap it up, we got about a few more minutes left. We
Mhm.
got 2 days left in October. And then we get to November, man. How y'all, what's your early outlook on November look ahead?
Man, we get data. I could speak. Yeah, man, this shit
Trey said,
weird.
man, I can't be out here in La La Land with no data, dog.
No, man, I can't do it. Can do it, man. But I
I
mean,
feel
like
you,
if
bro.
NQ
How about you,
gets
Quadree?
gets, hmm
Um,
Or go ahead. My bad.
I mean, bro, everything do the opposite. I mean, November supposed to be a strong month, they say.
yeah,
I'm hoping to be strong. A lot of the stats that we see is skewed to be strong.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we'll have a great month, and then I think December be the one in question.
mm,
Yeah.
Cause we close to all our targets, so we're close. So we can get those targets, and then you know,
yeah.
Yeah.
NQ, listen, NQ hit my yearly target
I
Monday.
told you was gonna have to go higher, Dre.
Yeah, man.
I was like, yo, you better raise it.
This is my ultimate target for like this is like whoa. Yeah, we hit it on Monday, guys.
Mhm.
This for me is brand new. Like I need to do some assessment. I need to fix my chart
Gotcha.
because this is what I wanted. 25th, 929, and I got it right.
Yep. Yep.
And that's all the way from
I would tell you, you know what, bro? You should probably take a good look
23.
at Dre. I would tell you to
Hmm.
if you want to kind of do some like back testing to get a feel for this, examine how we dropped in the COVID 2020 drop and that run from the 2020 drop all the way up until the 2022 bear market. Because that's very similar of what we're doing right now, where we had that really fast drop, and
Yeah,
then I mean, and look at that extended run. So
that thing.
but we are that run from that COVID low to the top was how many percentage?
9,000. 105%.
All right, so do what's 105? Do 105 from the low we got this year.
From this low.
Yeah,
Mm. Yo, nah, that's not the low. There you go.
you gotta do the low.
Sheesh. 34K.
There you go.
Damn. Yo, it's a lot of bread, my nigga.
That's why I'm just saying, bro. That's why when you was like, man, I don't know. I look, dog. Do some adjustment. That's why I
Yo.
love percentages, bro. And we
Mm.
and we talked about them cycles, so but yeah, man.
So
Um,
let me see. So this is the new leg, right? Right here. So let's see what this new leg gonna do. And let's finish. This is one. Yeah.
let's
Did
see
it
what you get.
backward. It did it backwards. Oh. Yeah, see,
I
you
need
right
to
there,
look at
boy.
that. I told you.
Oh yeah. So you got boy. Dang.
Bruh, right there. Look at that. That fib is right where you drew the range.
Yeah.
Come on, dog.
So this is target number one.
Mm-hmm.
Well, no. Yeah, number one,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
and that's already that leg that you say already
Yep.
hitting.
Yep.
3, and the ultimate target is 47K. 4.
That would be now that one that's where I would be like, woo, that's a stretch. But for now, I would just focus on that number
Yeah,
two.
on this. Yeah, cause this is what happened. We hit those and then drop, and then
Yeah.
that leg supposed to get here, and we got it.
Yep. So
Yep. So that's
now
those
that's
two
why,
targets.
and for me, that's why I'm like, how I'm kind of seeing things is, I think so there's three main themes that I have in my head, right? Number one is don't fight the trend, don't fight the Fed. So we just talked
Yep.
about how the Fed is still being accommodative. This is the same thing that happened in 2020 to going to that leg you just measured. The same shit happened where you had an accommodative Fed pumping hella money into the market, and we just ran.
Yeah.
Right. So you kind of got this same condition where you got an accommodative Fed. So I'm not about to fight the Fed, not going to fight the trend. The other one is we are in a momentum market. This market is feeding off momentum. Like, you know what I mean? All-time highs. Also, look at the global market. When you really look at the
Pumping.
global market, United States is actually behind.
Hmm.
Like, there's so many other markets that have been hitting crazy all-time highs and pumping. You know what I'm saying? Like, the Nikkei just hit 50,000 for the first time a couple days ago.
Yo,
Mhm.
that's
You know what
wild.
I mean? So the global liquidity aspect is crazy, right? And then, the last part that I just look at is, again, I just kind of revert back and look at percentages, and I kind of, look at the 90s, use that as a gauge where you had a period of years where you had back to back 20 plus years. And we probably about to get that this year where last year SPX was, or year before last, it was 23. Last year it was 24. This year we approaching 20. We might likely get 22% on the SPX. But then when you look at the NASDAQ, like I said last night, I think the NASDAQ can easily put in a 25 to 30% yearly gain this year. And I mean, the NASDAQ is only up right now 18%. So you still got another, 6 to 8% of upside between now and November. You look at what your fourth quarters traditionally do. For the fourth quarter, I think the SPX is now only positive by like 3%. I think the NASDAQ is positive by maybe 4 or 5%. You look at fourth quarters, the ES usually give you an 8 to 10% fourth quarter. The NASDAQ will give you usually a 10 to 12% fourth quarter. So there's
Yeah.
still plenty of upside left in the tank, man.
Definitely.
And the fact that it continues to be hated. I think that a lot of retail just have this mindset that we have to pull back or we have to short because of gaps, and we've been running. But I keep reverting back to I don't have any, like, what's the bearish signal? Like, I see the
Hmm.
gaps, but it's like, is macro
Ooh,
bad?
gold just
Yo.
got crazy.
Gold, there go
Ooh,
the
that's
drop.
gold. That's gold.
I see it. But like I was saying, like, again, is the Fed being restrictive? No. Is fundamentals falling off the map? No. The only viable case is like, yeah, we stretched on the technicals, but when you in a momentum market, you can keep running, bro.
Yes,
That's
sir.
drop.
So yeah, man, I think
Quadree going in. Look at
yeah,
that.
he
Yo, you
going
in a
in.
short?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
in
he
show right
is. Let me
now.
pull his screen up.
Yeah.
I'll pull his screen up. Let's go look at
Let's
his
go,
screen.
baby.
What you working with, Quadri? What you up, bro? These are micros? Yeah, micros. Okay.
Oh, just a funded account, bro. I can't be going to him on that.
Oh, I feel it. So yeah, people, I think November could be pretty good, and then like Quadree said, I do think December could be a consolidation month. We'll just have to see how much progress is made in November, and then go from there. But yeah, I think November could be pretty damn good. So
Yes,
we're
sir.
gonna see. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. Shout out to Drizzy.
Yeah, Mike here. That was a short. I got stopped out, but that's okay. That's all
Father
right.
11's got a question for you, my Dre. He said, "What's your goal parameters when back testing?"
And it's tough. I look for a lot of like. I'm new to go. I'm new to go. I only got like 2 weeks messing with it, and I just basically look for MAE, MFEs, and see like reversals. Usually go put the high or low in the first 15 minutes, and then go to the other side. And when I meet the other side, this box that you see right here,
Oh, he
and
not.
you
He,
get
he, he gotta go to your screens, eh? You gotta go to Dre's screen.
oh
Oh my bad. I'm on whose screen? I'm on. There you go, Dre.
yeah. So usually like go put the low high on the first 15, and for what I'm seeing, like I don't have much step back testing go, and it turns to the other side for like around 9 from 8:45 to like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. It likes to make the high and then reverse back down. It's doing it right now. But if you see last night, we came to the low, came up 2000, reverse, boom, back. We didn't go back all the way. We kept pushing to early in the day, and then boom. So if I look another sample, the low, whoop, up 2100, drop. So stuff like that. Look, but like I'm new to gold, so I don't have that much analytic and stuff. Now NQ, that's my baby, so we can talk about NQ more. But yeah, and stuff. These boxes, you got to go through the boot camp and the whole 9 yards to do to understand what they mean, how they work, and all of that. Yeah, but that's basically statistic. Like I trade, we get statistics, so that's what basically is. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I took
And
TP. I took profit. I'm done for the night.
no doubt, sir. And I know you remember he does Father Legend, you what's my guy name?
He
Tim.
used to be
Tim
on
P.
Tim's joint all the time.
Yeah. You
Yeah, he
remember
used to be
me?
on Tim's joint.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I know that name. I seen that name back in my days.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. But yeah, bro. And also I keep it simple. I look for swing high, swing low to get my entries.
Yeah.
On the 15 minutes. I don't that the data tells me, but I'm not getting only on the data. Like this fit right here that you see, that's come from the fit from a swing. So this swing right here, if I go back, you see it right there. Came on, bounce. You know? So but yeah, man. Still brand new to gold though. So give me some time. I started today was my first train in the morning. I took this long, um, 9:30. Where is it? Yeah, where is it long? Go. Yeah, right here. came up. I thought we were gonna make the high. I rolled it up, but I got stopped out in profit about to 100. I was looking for the high. I got them here, and this candle got me. Like I moved my stop to this. Yeah, like 8 points, 9 points I took. But I trade minis on gold, not micros. Yeah, I go.
You trade minis on everything, Dre.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, it's profit. I ain't
You
no
don't
thing.
you
It's
don't
not my
mess with the
money. It's
micros.
nah. Yeah, yo, Quadree, you good, bro? That shit going, it's gone.
Oh, I took profit already, bro.
Oh, you good? Let's go.
I'm in that. They trail the trail,
Mm-hmm.
so I just took max.
Nice.
Have that pulled back.
Yeah, man.
But it's going to hit my TP because I took profit. That's how it worked.
Okay.
I was like 500 though. It was all right.
That's good. That's good shit. Yeah, man. How ES doing? Ooh. Okay.
Yo, so last night, I did do 26 micros on gold on GC. I don't know why. I
You
couldn't.
wallet.
Nah, well, I mean, it's 2.5 contracts, but I couldn't get to GC in time when the move happened. I just kept hitting buy. I mean, what is it? No, sell.
Yeah. I just gotta I don't know, right? See, I hate. I requested a payout. I'm like, yo, where my money? They take it away right away. Um, the- where are you?
I got back in.
You still short?
Yeah. I'm about to hit CP.
Damn. Yo, I'm tight, man.
Boy, it's a TP. All right, now I'm good now because that was my original TP. So I got back in there and did take the TP. All right, I'm good now.
You did.
All right,
That's
bet.
good.
Beautiful, man. Export.
Yes. I base it, bro. Good shit.
Quadree said, I need that, bro.
Because usually when I take profit, it always go on my TP, bro. So I'm like, all right.
Hey, that's a good move. Damn, man.
You was doing it too. That would have been a ooh.
Bro. I got in.
You called it though, Dre. You said, man, you was looking for the short.
Yeah.
But you follow your risk parameters, right? So that's why you stopped.
Yeah. 5 points, bro. I only reached 5 points. I'm not playing no games. We go.
Like for me, bro, I really sat down and for y'all. I mean, we did do some things. We all do get to business plans in the pack. I really have a whole trading plan with our risk. Like so, it'd be hard. So if I do want to trade, I just paper trade. But I try not to paper trade and just try to focus on something else.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, like 5 points. I still gotta work on that. See, like, what's my better risk?
Oh, kind of like how you got like the 15-point system with the NQ.
Yeah, I still gotta find out my groove on goal.
But
sense. if NQ gets better, because I don't think gold is gonna be like this all the time.
Hell no. It's retracing back up too. Look at it. I'm glad I did CCP.
No, I'm saying these ballots are like that. I don't think it's gonna be like
it's like we texted yesterday, like when when we do get that, you're the one that said it. When that VIX get above, get back up there, we in there.
So I I gotta work on my risk parameters for gold. Right now I'm sticking to 5 points. So
Mm-hmm.
I gotta my entry was
As
this.
far as like your stop, or that's what you willing to risk.
Yeah.
So your entry.
Yeah. Eight
So wait
hundred
a minute,
dollars,
5 points is $800.
880, almost 900, bro.
You think about it.
Damn, off
Each point,
5 points.
each point on
5 points.
each point in the GC is worth 100, bro.
Yeah.
Whew,
Gotta be
yeah,
careful.
Goldie. Yeah,
Yeah, you gotta be
yeah.
careful. Yeah, you
So
gotta
I'm
be
on
careful.
so this yo, that's why I'm on that's why I'm on the micros. Cause the way I look at it, is like $1. It's a $10 every point on the micros
Mhm.
versus
Mm,
100.
Yeah.
yeah, that's
You literally gotta be a sniper entry with it. If not, you're gonna get smoked. If you try
yes.
ICT, Fair Valley got me getting smoked, bro. No way. Because yeah, yeah, bro.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir. I know Zay say he's gonna go to sleep, but you might have an alarm at 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Nah, my alarm is at 2:55, bro.
Oh yeah, you see that market pumping at 11, you staying up. I know you.
Nah, I'm about to, I'm about
Nah.
to, I'm about to shut it down, bro.
Oh yeah, okay.
Dude, I just want to wake up to the Discord messages. That's all.
Yeah, I woke
Somebody,
up yesterday at 2 in the morning.
we're gonna be either
So
gonna be
what?
sad.
Last night you were up sending article at 2 a.m. I'm like,
Yeah, he
this
was.
nigga not sleep. I'm like, yo, this nigga not sleep.
That's cause I think my alarm went off. So
Yeah.
I
I
went back
woke
to
up
sleep
and
though.
my daughter woke up. I'm like, oh shit. So it takes me like
I'll
5 minutes
be
to
waking
go
up
back
and
to
I'll be
sleep.
seeing mad messages.
You said what happened?
I'll be in the middle of the night. Any of us will be up, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mhm.
Hey man, they say money never sleep, right?
Bro, and
So
I
while
think
we
anybody in the chat can test it. Like when you love this stuff, bro, like it's like I ain't gonna lie, it reminds me of being a kid. Can't wait to play that video game.
yeah, man.
Hey,
It,
that's real shit though. Now that you say it that
it's just,
way,
just like
yeah.
bro, this is the most corniest stuff. Like the most people like, yo, I get up and can't wait to read or see my CNBC notification or Bloomberg notification. Like, bro, like my most used app is TradingView. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell
like
yeah. Facts.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, bro, literally, I stopped watching ESPN radio, all of that, bro. That shit, fuck. Bloomberg.
bro, what's crazy is, bro, don't get me wrong, and I'm a fan of my teams, but I could care less if they win or lose. Don't worry about this paper.
Facts. That's true.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's like, yo,
Yeah, that's true.
because I'm like, yo, yo, regardless, bro, you really think about it, like, yo, what's the like right now? If you on the Tennessee Titans, yo, or the Jets, they millionaires, and they go out there to perform. They underperform every day. Like, you really think about it, like every Tuesday, somebody cashing out a couple million to lose. Like, you really put it that way, I'm like, yo, you right. And I'm saying here, man,
You ain't, yeah.
like, yo.
Got a good fucking point, brother.
Mhm.
I can't even be, yeah, that's a good point.
Like,
Bro, real quick, I'm about to look at something real quick before we roll. Somebody asked me
Mhm.
about did I see today. Did y'all see this move today? Y'all see this?
y'all see what today?
This up. I'm not in it. I think somebody was telling me that I should watch it or something. I was like, yeah, I'll keep my eye on it. And then they messaged me today and was like, that drink got smoked. Dang, that shit down 44%.
Pfizer? Damn, what happened there?
This
No, that ain't
is called.
Pfizer.
No, it's called Pfizer.
Pfizer be with
Yeah,
a P.
Pfizer.
Oh, Fizz. I thought I was fighting. I'm like, hold up.
Pfizer.
They go.
Bro, that shit down. Yeah, they had. I guess they had terrible earnings. It's down 43%. Good googly moogly.
Got that.
Yeah, but I mean that shit been on a nasty downtrend.
Word. Yo.
They've been dumping that joint.
Damn.
But what do they do?
Like they've been, huh?
What do they do?
What do? It's a bank.
Oh.
Oh.
Is that one of the banks they saying that might implode?
Oh, it looked like it.
It look like what's that?
Shit,
you had a
that
few years
joint
ago?
got cooked.
That Valley joint. What was it? The Silicon Valley banks, something like that, a couple years ago.
I don't know,
Yeah.
but yeah, that look good. But shit, man. Y'all got anything before we roll, bro? It's about to be 9:00. I'm about to get me somebody to eat some dinner. Take it down.
Try not to trade tonight if you can avoid it.
Yeah, right.
Move. These dudes probably gonna be vicious either way. And we still got an interesting week. So the next 2 days. So more interesting 24 hours. So
Facts.
be safe.
Yeah, man.
What you got, Dre?
Respect your stop loss. Respect your stop loss. You know? No, don't fight the train. That shit going up. Do not fight it. You know, it's not happening. So, but yeah, other than that, stay safe.
Facts. And for me, y'all, I would just say patience, man. Patience. You know, I think patient pays, but patient definitely has been paying in this market. And like we kind of just said, we got a good solid 2 days left in October. And with these last 2 months, try to make it your best. Be patient, go with good quality opportunities. And along the lines of what Dre said, as far as don't fight the trend, I say don't fight the Fed, man. Like you think they pumping the system, man, between the Fed and Trump. Remember, y'all, probably the number one metric that Trump is going to rate his presidency on is how well the stock market does. So yes, you're gonna see a bunch of FUD, people saying he want to crash the market. That is absolutely false. If you know anything about Trump, you know he care about the market.
Yes, he does.
Yes.
So somebody said you don't stay safe, then don't stay safe, stay dangerous. With that being said, man, Late Night Lovers Crew, we out of here. We'll catch y'all next Tuesday, which will be November 4th. We'll be in a new month. We'll be able to catch y'all up on what happens with Apple and Amazon and China, and what has the market done by the end of this week and going into November.
Yes.
With that being
I
said,
need my
man,
NFP.
Yeah, that's gonna be a good one, man. So yeah, y'all stay safe, stay dangerous. We catch y'all next week. Have a great weekend. We out.
Peace. Let's go.